Yo fam, it's your boy back with another mind-blowing tale from the old school, the parable of the lost sheep. You thought this was just some farmer's story time? Nah, it's deeper than a black hole. So picture this. You're the shepherd and your 100 sheep are like your squad. One day, one little lamb goes MIA. Now, most sheeple would be like, meh, it's just one, right? But not our boy Jesus. He's Alpha, the ultimate shepherd. He leaves the 99 chillin' now to go find that lone wolf. That's some next level squad love. And when he finds that lamb, party time. The angels are going wild up in heaven, celebrating like they just dropped the latest Grimace shake flavor. All for one little sheep. That's how much Jesus values each of us. It's not about the squad size, fam. It's about the love and unity. Don't be a lost lamb. Join the Smooth Brain Gang, smash that follow button, and let this parable live rent-free in your head. Stay biblical, you absolute legends.